Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Cynthia Maynard, and today I'm doing a bit of a doodle page. I was inspired by some journaling pages I saw advertised, and so that's kind of what I'm doing here. So I'm taking this pen. This is a quote-unquote disposable. I think it lasts a really long time. Zebra brush pen, and it can be used with wet media. I've talked about this in some recent videos, and I got mine on jet pens for a very decent price, and so I kind of stock up and use those. So I like this one. There are other ones I like as well. You could use a micron pen set, Faber-Castell Pitt pen, micron pen, but something that I like the brush tip on here is really nice to work with. So anyway, just kind of doodling. It's like a page coming out of a page, and I kind of made a border with some washi and kind of had lemons in my mind. And so I'm just kind of doodling. And I think that it's nice sometimes to just kind of draw without a plan, and then just fill space. And it's just good for our brains. Lots of crazy going on today, and yeah, just need some doodling. So I don't know. Do you guys like to doodle? And you like Zentangle and all that? I haven't done that, but I'm not sure if I could be that neat and tidy, to be honest. But it looks like fun. Yeah, it's something you can do on the go. You could bring your art journal. You just really don't even need watercolor paper. You just use like a sketchbook, regular drawing sketchbook. Yeah, you can doodle around, and pretty soon you've got like all sorts of interesting things going on there. If I could at this moment, if you could take time to hit like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff, checking out the links down below really does help support my channel. And yeah, it's kind of it's one of those things on YouTube. If people don't engage, they think that you're a done deal. So it's nice when people just hit a few buttons. It doesn't take too much time, and that would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, do you guys like to doodle? I don't know. It's something really to keep your brain going, in a creative process is a very, very healthy thing. And so I think it's a fun thing to try. So yeah. Here I go, more flowers. So as I see like the negative space, if you will, it's just kind of making decisions how you're going to fill that. And I don't always, sometimes if I don't have like a reference or art prompt, sometimes it's like all of a sudden you forget how to draw any more than two different kinds of flowers. I don't know if that happens to other people, but I don't know. Sometimes I need like my little reference. So I'm just putting here, oh, this is supposed to be the paper that sort of covered up this other paper. And so I'm just like randomly writing whatever, trying to make it look journaly. I don't know. This was something new I was trying, so gotta try new things. Anyways, it was pretty fun. So I guess I'll leave it there for today and let you enjoy the rest of the video here. It's not all that much longer, but I hope you have a great day. I hope that you get down into your art corner, wherever that may be, and use your supplies. Don't feel pressure to always be buying the newest things, but really do get down there and use what you have, and create things. It's good for us to create. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a blessed day. See ya.